came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. There's a lot of things going on here, and I like it because, there are informations that needed. But the most important is the phone number. A client would look for this. This will be the first thing that they will look for the website for you to contact. And now, let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google, and what we are looking right now. I'll show it to you. What we're looking right now, this is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see, I cannot see your rank here, even your Google profile. So, one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and another website and another corner of the city, like all of these corners. Now let's take a look to see how you are ranking. Wait, let me find you. This is Felmar. Oh, that's too far. So you are, as you can see, you are right here, like 74th in position. This is where you're ranking overall the entire area. So above you are the same company who are also giving the same business as you. So there are a lot of them. So what we are thinking, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. So we're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could, brand for you and help you put up another profile to get more jobs or more work to do. So if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.